Hi everyone, in this lecture we will see the operation of class A chopper. It is a 4-quadrant chopper. The power can either flow from source to the load or load to the source. In the first quadrant, the class A chopper acts as a step down chopper, whereas in second quadrant it behaves as a step up chopper. Now let us see the working principle and operation of class A chopper. The circuit consists of 4 semiconductor switches which are CH1 to CH4, and we have 4 diodes from D1 to D4. The 4 diodes are connected in anti-parallel. For the first quadrant operation, the chopper 1 is operated. For second quadrant operation, chopper 2 is operated. For third quadrant operation, chopper 3 is operated. And for fourth quadrant operation, chopper 4 is operated. Now let us see the operation separately for each quadrant. So this is a circuit diagram for the first quadrant operation where the chopper 1 is operated. So here if you look at the circuit, the chopper 1 is operated and chopper 4 is on, and while keeping the chopper 3 and chopper 2 in the off condition. If you look at the load is directly connected to the source VDC. So you can say that the output voltage across the load is equal to the source voltage VDC. So you can also note that the load current which flows from the source to the load as shown in this red color arrow line. So when the chopper 1 is off, this shows in the second circuit. When the chopper 1 is off, the load current that gets freewheels through a chopper 4, D2 and to the load. So during this period, the load voltage and the load current, that is I0, both are positive. Hence the operation of this chopper is in the first quadrant. If you see the second quadrant operation, the chopper 2 is operated and keeping chopper 1, chopper 3 in the and chopper 4 are in the off condition. When the chopper 2 is on, the DC source in the load that drives the current through chopper 2, D4 and load. So during this period, the inductor L stores the energy. Now the chopper 2 is off, that shows in the second circuit. The chopper 2 is in the off condition, and if you see the load current is fed back to the source through diode D4, D1 and back to the source. So if you look at the load voltage output is positive and I0 is negative. So this is in the second quadrant operation since the current is fed back to the source. So this simply means that the load current is transferring the power to the source. In the third quadrant operation, the chopper 1 is kept off and chopper 2 is kept on and chopper 3 is operated. So when the chopper 3 is operated, the load gets connected to the source. So if you see the output voltage V0 is equal to source voltage VDC. The V0 is assumed to be negative. Let us see the status of the load current I0. It may be seen that the I0 is flowing in the direction which is opposite to the shown in the circuit diagram, and hence the I0 is also negative. When the chopper 3 is off condition, so if you look at the second diagram, the chopper 3 is off, the negative load current that get freewheels through chopper 2, D4 and comes to the load. So in this manner, the output voltage, that is V0 and I0, both are negative. So this operates in the third quadrant. In the fourth quadrant operation, the chopper 4 is operated while keeping chopper 1, chopper 2 and chopper 3 on the off condition. If you see the polarity of the load E, that need to be reversed in this case, like what we have seen in the third quadrant operation. Now if you look at the chopper 4 is on. The positive current flows through chopper 4, goes to D2 and finally goes to the load. So during this period, the inductor L stores the energy when the chopper 4 is on. When the chopper 4 is made off, that is shown in the next diagram, the current is fed back to the source through diode D2, D3 and back to the source. Hence the load voltage is negative, but the load current is always positive. So this leads the chopper operation in the fourth quadrant. So in this fourth quadrant operation, the power is fed back to the source from load and the chopper will be acting as a step-up chopper. The operation of class A chopper is summarized here. In the first quadrant operation, the chopper 1 is operated. Chopper 1, chopper 4 is on and the chopper 1 is off, then the chopper 4 and D2 conducts. The second quadrant operation, the chopper 2 is operated and chopper 2 D4 conducts. During this period, the inductor stores the energy. When the chopper 2 is off, then the D1 and D4 conducts. In the third quadrant operation, the chopper 3 is operated and chopper 3, chopper 2 is on. The chopper 3 is off then the chopper 2 and D4 conducts, E will get reversed. In the fourth quadrant operation, the chopper 4 is operated, chopper 4 D2 conducts. During this period, the inductor stores the energy. When the chopper 4 is off, then the D2 and D3 conducts. In this case also, E get reversed. Thank you.